Today's topic, vibration of one-dimensional diatomic lattice. First of all, consider a one-dimensional linear lattice with bases consisting of two atomic of masses small m and capital M, small m greater than capital M, which are placed alternate along the x-axis with an interatomic distance equal to small a. In a state of equilibrium, let the atoms be located at a site represented by 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 2n plus 2 as shown in figure. Also, let x2n be the displacement of an atom corresponding to the 2nth site at any time during the vibratory motion of atoms, using the assumption similar to the monoatomic case, that means the previous case. We obtain the following differential equations of motion for one for the lighter atoms, that means small m, and another one is the heavier atom, that means capital M. The atoms are arranged like this: heavier atom and lighter atom. Then the mass is, this particular atom's mass is capital M and this atom mass is small m. Then the vibrating position, the positions are changed like this. Then the difference between higher atom and higher atom is 2a, and higher atom and lower atom, and that means lighter atom value is small a, and the positions are like this: 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 3, and the displacements are like this: 2n atom position is x2n, similarly up to goes on. Then this situation is the state of displacement, at a state of displacement. Then first of all we find the x is a displacement. The force extracted by spring on atom is given by F is proportional to x. That means the heavier atom and the lighter atom is bond with the spring. When we are applying this Hooke's law, the F is, that means the force is proportional to the x. X is nothing but a displacement. Then the spring constant is beta, then F equal to beta into x. Beta is a spring constant. Then we find the force on the nth 2nth atom due to 2n minus 1 1th atom. That means, for example, 2n atom is there, 2n minus 1 atom affected on the 2n atom. That means, for example, this atom vibrating in the position, the force acted by the 2n minus 1 on the 2nth atom. The value is like this: the value of force is equal to Fn. The value equal to, the array is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 2xn is greater than to the 2x2n minus 1. Then similarly, the force on the 2nth atom due to 2n plus 1th atom is equal to, value equal to F2 equal to beta into x2n plus 1 minus x2n, because the x2n plus 1 greater than x2n. Then simplify the equation. The above two forces are acting in opposite directions. That means the two capital M atoms are affected on the net force is opposite. Both are opposite sides. So that's why the net force on 2nth atom is F2n equal to F2 minus F1. The value equal to F2n equal to beta into x2n plus 1 minus x2n minus beta x2n minus x2n minus 1. Then common to the beta, then value equal to F2n equal to beta into x2n plus 1 minus x2n minus x2n minus x2n minus 1. Then F2n equal to beta into, same this value, x2n plus 1, then x2n minus x2n plus x2n minus 1. So the last value F2n equal to beta into x2n plus 1 minus 2xn, because x2n 2x 2n plus x 2n minus 1 equation is named as 1. And next, from the Newton's second law, what is the Newton's second law? The applied force is equal to the rate of change of momentum or proportional to the rate of change of momentum. Then F2n equal to on the 2n atom, F2n equal to md square x 2n by dt square. The value equation number is 2. From 1 and 2 equations, the value like F2n equal to md square x 2n by dt square is equal to beta x2n plus 1 minus 2xn 2n plus x2n minus 1. Equation is named as a 3. Then similarly on atom on 2n plus 1 atom, capital M d square x 2n plus 1 by dt square equal to beta into x 2n plus 2 minus 2xn 2n plus 1 plus x 2n. Equation is named as a 4. Next, let the solution of the solution like the simple harmonic motion. That means exponential function, the value x2n equal to e to the power of I omega t minus 2k Na. Equation is named as a 5. This value indicates the small m value. And next, x2n plus 1 equal to beta e to the power of I omega t minus 2n plus 1. The n is replaced with the 2n is replaced with the 2n plus 1 into Ka. Equation is named as a 6. This equation indicates the capital M oscillator value. And next one, same as this, x 2n minus 1 equal to beta e to the b into e to the power of I omega t into 2n minus 1 into Ka. This also indicates the capital M value. Equation is named as a 7. And next, similarly, x 2n plus 2 equal to a into e to the power of I omega t minus 2n plus 2 into Ka. Equation is named as a 8. Where k is a wave vector of a particular mode of vibration, it may be noted that the vibrational frequency of both types of atoms is assumed to be the same because both types of atoms participate in the same wave motion. The amplitude capital A and capital B, that means capital A indicates the small m and capital B indicates the capital M. However, be the difference because the different masses of atoms. And next one, the solutions, you find the solutions and the differentiate the above equations. We find the d square x 2n by dt square is equal to minus a omega square e to the power of I omega t minus 2 k Na. The value is like this, m e to the power of I omega t minus 2 k Na, the value equal to x 2n. Then we differentiate the 2 times, that means d square x 2n by dt square is equal to the I square omega square comes from the front of the a. I square is equal to minus 1 and omega square we write the as it is. Then similarly we write the 2n plus 1, the equation like this, d square x 2n plus 1 by dt square is equal to minus b omega square e to the power of I omega t minus 2n plus 1 into k. Equations are named as a 9 and 10. And we substitute the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in equation 3 and 4. The equation 9 and 10 like this, the previous equation. And the third and fourth are the second order Newton's second equation equal to the Hooke's law. We find the value third and fourth, for the third for the small m, fourth for the capital M. So these 9 and 10 equations also same as we solve the values like this. x2 2n is equal to this value. We differentiate the above values, the fifth equation we get the ninth equation. Similarly we differentiate the both 2 times. Then we find the value d square x 2n plus 1 by dt square is equal to minus b omega square e to the power of I omega t into 2n plus 1 into Ka. The equation is named as 10. Then we substitute in this equation we find substitute the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we find these values like this. So first value is first we find the only for the equation number 3. Equation number 3 is like this: md square x 2n by dt square is equal to, this value equal to minus a omega square e to the power of I omega t minus 2 ka. Same we wrote the as it is, m into minus a omega square e to the power of I omega t minus 2 k na equal to, the value equal to beta into, as it is we wrote that 2n plus x2n plus 1, x2n plus 1 value is like this. We put the equation in the equation number 3 same as it is, and next value is 2x2n, 2x2n value like this, 2 into that means minus 2 into a e to the power of I omega t minus 2 k na. Next value beta into, the value is like this, x2n minus 1 value, x2n minus value, this seventh equation we substitute this position, and this simplify the above equation, we common to the beta into the power of I omega t minus k na. Then the accept value is b into e to the power of I k a minus 2a plus beta b into e to the power of I k a. Then cancel the equations like this, e to the power of I omega t minus 2 k na cancel, and left side and right side. Then next equation like this, m a omega square is equal to beta into b e to the power of I k a minus 2a plus b e to the power of I k a. Then we common into the values b and a, b terms and a terms. So the value like this, b beta into b e to the power of I k a plus e to the power of I k a minus 2 beta a. Equation is named as 11. Then similarly we find the equation number, substitute the fourth equation, we get the same values, but a is replaced with the b and small m is replaced with the capital M. Minus mb square omega square is equal to beta into b is replaced with the a e to the power of I k a minus 2b plus a e to the power of I k a equal to beta into a e to the power a into e to the power of I k a plus e to the power of minus I k a minus 2b beta. Equation is named as 12. Then equation number 11 and equation number 12, both equations simplify the in cos x and sin x's. So we put the value on the e to the power of I k a plus e to the power of minus I k a value equal to 2 cos k a. Then substitute the value in the equation number 11. The equation number 11 write like this, minus m a omega square is equal to b beta 2 cos k a minus b 2 beta into a. Similarly the equation number 12 also same as it is, a is replaced with b, small m is replaced with capital M, minus capital M b omega square is equal to beta a 2 cos k a minus 2 b beta. Next the value equal to, that means the equation number 11 value minus m a omega square plus this value is taken into the left side plus 2ba. Simply we a terms separate the a terms and b terms. We separate the a terms, the a value like this, minus m omega square plus 2 beta into a equal to b beta 2 cos k a. Similarly the next equation, capital M equation also same as is, b a cos 2 cos k a equal to minus capital M omega square plus 2 beta into b. And next the 13th equation like this, we take into the left side to right side, this value is a positive value, and taken to the right side the value will become a minus m omega square plus 2 beta into a minus b beta into b cos k a equal to 0. Then next equation also same as is, minus capital M omega square plus 2 beta into b minus beta a cos k a equal to 0. Then equation number name as a 13 and equation name as a 14. Then we solve the equations. We are using this set of homogenic linear equations would give the rise to non-zero solutions for the A and B. If the equation like this, for example, A, B are constant, so that's why they are not zeros. The values we put the like a matrix minus 2b minus omega square m, the value like this, b beta minus m omega square, and next term is 2 beta cos ka. The a value and b value, except the a value and b value, the accepted terms we wrote that. And next similarly a value except that 2 beta cos ka and 2 beta minus omega square m. This equation equal to 0. Then this value is give the 2 beta minus m omega square into 2 beta minus m omega square, the two values, minus 2 beta square minus of 4 beta square cos square ka equal to 0. Then we solve the above equation. Then we multiply this 2 beta 4 beta square, 2 beta m omega square is equal to minus 2 beta m omega square, and next minus m omega square into 2 beta square m omega square, m omega square capital M omega square m omega square minus 4 beta square cos square ka equal to 0. Then we common to the minus 2 beta common, the value is m omega square plus this value m omega square capital M omega square, common to the minus 2 beta m omega square small m omega square, and next one m omega square capital M omega square, the value capital M and small m omega to the power of 4, and 4 beta square cos square ka, common to the 4 beta square. Then the value is like this, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and minus 2 beta square m omega square capital M omega square plus small m omega square plus capital M small m to omega to the power of 4 equal to 4 beta square sin square ka. Then same next step we come to the omega square minus 2b omega square capital M plus small m plus m omega square omega to the power of 4 plus 4 beta square sin square ka equal to 0. The equation like this. Then we solve the equation. We divide and multiply with the m by m capital M and small m simply. Then small m and capital M cancel to the omega to the power of 4, and in this equation minus 2 beta omega square m plus capital M plus m by m into capital M plus omega to the power of 4, and 4 beta square cos square ka by small m into capital M equal to 0. Then omega to the power of 4 equal to, we take the right side, the left side value like this, omega to the power of 4 equal to 2 beta m plus m by m small m into capital M omega to the power of 2 plus 4 beta square sin square ka by small m and capital M. It gives the equation like this, omega square is equal to beta into 1 by small m plus 1 by capital M plus or minus beta into under root of 1 by small m plus 1 by capital M to the power of 2 minus 4 beta square sin square ka by small m capital M. This value is give the relation. This is the dispersion relation for a linear diatomic lattice.